Hi and welcome to nutritioncertification.com. My name is Lucho Crisalle and I am the CEO of Exercise and Nutrition Works. We have been certifying people in nutrition for well over 12 years and we are the #1 rated nutrition certification course online. Now, when people ask me what makes us #1, I'll get to that in a minute, but first let me be clear, I love all nutrition certification programs. The more you can learn about nutrition, the more you can help your clients and yourself reach your goals, whether it's for health and fitness or just overall health. What makes us different is that we don't believe in the one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition. Most nutrition certification programs out there will either teach you 101 modalities that then you cannot apply, or they'll kind of teach you to cram your clients into a box of being an endomorph, mesomorph, or ectomorph, or they'll give you instructions on how to create a one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition, or for like 40-30-30, or calories in, calories out. What we do is different. What we do is we teach you how to create a custom nutrition plan based on the individual. That means that the amount of protein that your client gets is based on their lean muscle mass, duration, frequency, and intensity of exercise, or lack of exercise. There's also a sliding scale for carbohydrates, and then that establishes a baseline, and then you meet with your clients on a regular basis, and based on how your client is reacting to the meal plan, we teach you how to really customize the plan based on those changes. Now here's the reason why the one-size approach to nutrition does not work. When somebody gives recommendations like 40-30-30 or whatever it is that you've been taught to apply, the way that they come up to that recommendation is through what we call clinical studies. So let me draw a little picture over here. When we do a clinical study, let's say we take 1,000 people and we put them all on a 40-30-30 nutrition plan or whatever nutrition plan of your choice. And we collect data and we graph that data to see who's getting results, who's not getting results. And basically, this is how it looks. You have a graph. And as we start plotting points of data, it ends up creating a curve that's called the bell curve. So let me use another creative color here. There we go. As we graph the data, it kind of does this. What that means is that all of the people that are in this spot right here are the ones getting results. Roughly, there's something that we call the sweet spot when it comes to clinical research, and that sweet spot resides right there. That means that the folks right in here are the ones that are getting results, and that's roughly about 60% of the people in the study. So out of 1,000 people, 600 will get results and 400 won't. So that 40% that is not getting results could very, very clearly be your client or yourself. So you could beat them over the head with the 40-30-30 or endo, ecto, meso recommendations, and they're not going to get results because those folks are what we call outliers. And outliers are the people that reside out here. So if you reside out here, I can beat you over the head with a recommendation that was generated for the 60% of the people who got results. And if you're one of the 40% that isn't, it's not going to work. So now wouldn't it be cool if you were able to create a meal plan or a nutrition program where you were able to kind of do a mini clinical study on your own clients and measure them on a regular basis, and based on the feedback on that study or those results, you would tweak the meal plan, which would guarantee that your clients would always be smack in the middle of their own little bell curve. So instead of trying to cram your clients into the endomorph, mesomorph, or ectomorph box of one-size-fits-all nutrition approach, or the 40-30-30 or 60-20-20, join us and become a certified fitness nutrition specialist where we teach you how to create a custom nutrition plan that's based on the individual and not on the masses. Hey, before you go, one more thing. Remember that our Certified Fitness Nutrition Specialist course is completely online. And our software, which by the way is called What Works Nutrition Software because we teach you how to do what works instead of the one-size-fits-all thing, it is also completely online. It's responsive. So whether you're on your iPhone, your iPad, your Android, a laptop, a desktop, a tablet, anywhere in the world with an internet connection, you can access the course and use the software, and so can your clients. So join us in becoming a Certified Fitness Nutrition Specialist and help us change the world. Just go ahead right below here and scroll down. There's all the information you need. Just click on the Get Started Now button and we'll see you in our course.